Guys, today, entry-level smartphone muna pag-uusapan natin. And this is the Samsung A03. So, pinahiram sa atin ni Samsung to, no? And wala tayong box na pwede unbox. This is basically a prototype. So, let's get on and pag-usapan na natin kung ano meron dito sa phone na ito. So, hi guys! Ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, don't forget to click the subscribe button together with that bell icon. This phone is a very entry-level phone, no? So, kita natin, yung likod niya is made out of plastic. Meron siyang dual camera sa likod together with a LED flash. Sa ilalim, makita natin, meron siyang loudspeaker, micro USB port, microphone in, and ang kanyang audio jack. Then sa kabila, ang kanyang SIM tray, na sisilipin natin later kung ano nga bang configuration na kaya na ilagay dyan. Then sa ibabaw, meron siyang noise cancelling mic. And of course, sa kabila, there's your volume rocker and your power button. Now, sundutin lang natin, no, itong kanyang SIM tray, which can host 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. And by the way guys, this is just a 4G device. Huwag kayo mag-expect na magkakaroon kayo ng 5G signal. So this is your lock screen and this is your home screen. So very basic lang siya, no? Don't expect too much from this unit since it's a very entry level na phone, no? And quite impressed din ako, no, na medyo matingkad ng colors. So itong Samsung A03 is packed with a Unisoc T606 na processor, no? It's not the best processor for entry level. Maybe siguro ginamit ni Samsung dahil mura siya, Unisoc. And, well, giving it the multitasking that you need every day, okay naman siya na nakapag-perform naman siya, social media, using some apps na ginagamit ko daily like Word and Excel. Then, of course, using it for Zoom meeting is also A-okay since meron naman siyang front camera 5MP, no, which is still better than sa mga laptops na 2MP. And nevertheless, masasabi ko sa inyo guys, this phone is very generous pagdating sa display, no? 6.5 inch nga na display na 720p. By the way guys, ang presyo nitong phone na ito, no, loaded with 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, is priced at 5,490 as entry level price. So guys, kinakalikot natin ang brightness nitong phone na ito, no? And surprising, ang kanyang max brightness, no, is very bright. And dinala ko sa under the bright sunlight. Masasabi ko sa inyo, nababasa ko pa kahit papaano ang mga, mga messages ko, mga pictures dito. Okay na okay, no? So, meron din siyang dark mode na pwede na pagpilian, which is going to look a lot better compared to light mode and probably might save you some battery. And of course, meron din siyang eye comfort shield na pwede na i-on, no? Para hindi masakit sa mata when you're looking at it for long hours, no? Dito sa phone na ito. Even na 60 Hz screen refresh rate ito phone na ito, no? I don't feel na masyado siyang laggy, no? Pag ginagamit ko siya for social media and for scrolling, no? Dito sa loob ng settings. So guys, watching some videos here sa YouTube, sabi ko sa inyo, okay naman siya, no? Hindi naman ibig sabihin pag entry-level smartphone, ang kanyang resolution is sobrang pangit na. This one, masasabi ko siya, okay siya, no? For a 5,490 na phone, tapos ganun ka-bright naman ang kanyang resolution, is definitely a winning factor dito sa phone na ito. And masasabi ko siya, guys, ang kanyang color reproduce dito is not so bad. I wasn't expecting na ganito kaganda ang kanyang color reproduction, no, for a 5,000 peso na phone. But this one definitely captured my attention, no, immediately nung nakita ko, uy, okay palang color reproduction nitong phone na ito. So guys, since single firing lang kanyang sounds, no, dito, and sabi ni Samsung na Dolby Atmos siya pag once pinlug in mo ang inyong 3.5mm audio jack into your favorite headphones. But right now, tetest lang natin, no, kung gaano ka-okay ang kanyang loudspeaker even na hindi Dolby Atmos. Tingnan natin. We heading for the sun. Shawty got my heart, I ain't tripping for the funds. Yeah, I won't start, I ain't tripping, I won't start. Oh, living lively. Everybody tryna ride my way. So guys, pansin ko, no, ang sound niya is not the loudest na na-try ko, no. sa mga entry-level smartphone. Since it's just a 5,000 peso phone, I don't really expect na sobrang lakas ang kanyang loudspeaker. Pwede na, masasabi ko sa inyo. So, itong phone na ito has a 5,000 mAh na battery. Then, of course, ang kanyang support na fast charging, probably up to 15 watts. So, ginamit ko aking regular charger, no, that can supply up to 20 watts ng fast charging. Tinry ko naman siya i-charge from 20 to 100. Took me around 2 hours and 35 minutes. Medyo matagal nga lang. On the bright side, this phone is very battery efficient, no? Medyo makunat ka ng battery. I can say na it can last me more than a day. Probably a day and a half bago siya nalolobat, no? On normal usage like, well, social media, watching videos, playing some mild games, then of course, listening to music on Spotify, and attending some Zoom meetings, no? And it can last me roughly more than a day and a half bago ako nag-charge ulit. Silipin lang natin ang kanyang camera, no? I know na pag sinabi mo entry-level smartphone, ang kanyang camera is medyo hindi ganun kaganda. Let's be honest, okay? So, itong phone na ito, meron siyang 48MP na wide lens and 2MP na depth sensor. Harap, 5MP na selfie shooter. So, nilabas ko naman siya sa outdoors and some indoor shots, no? Well, I can say na hindi super impressive ang mga shots dahil siguro entry-level smartphone nga lang siya. I don't really expect too much from this one. But under some circumstance na okay ang lighting, okay din ang kanyang outdoor shot. Pero pagdating sa indoor, medyo grainy. Kahit yung mga selfie shots, no, mapapansin ko, medyo grainy, no? Kasi 5MP lang siya. So, don't expect too much from this smartphone since it's just an entry-level smartphone. But there are times, no, that can amazingly capture some good shots given na lang pag siguro magandang ang iyong lightings talaga. Ano masasabi ko dito sa Samsung A03? It's a very basic smartphone and probably the best thing here is makuna na kanyang battery and okay lang kanyang display, no? Hindi siya yung tipong pag sinabi mong entry level, medyo mahirapan kayo under bright sunlight, medyo malabo yung screen. Ito hindi. Tatak Samsung, masasabi ko sa inyo, even yung camera, sometimes nakaka-chamba, no? Ng ilang magagandang shots given na okay ang iyong lighting dito sa phone na ito. And this phone is available to be purchased sa Samsung official store and of course sa kanilang Shopee and Lazada na flagship store. I'll be posting everything on the description box below. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here sa aking channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?